Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I have this 2021 Street Glide. It is in the Billiard Red color. The bike only has just under 2,000 miles. So, I mean, it's barely getting broke in. It does already have stage 1 done to it. Got the high flow ventilator style air intake with some Shark slip-on exhaust. I don't know that I've heard of those before, but they sound really good on here. Got the docking hardware and a detachable backrest. Got a cup holder on here. Got LED turn signals on the front and rear. Custom dynamics. Everything is perfect on this bike. I mean, as it should be. Only 2,000 miles. It was bought here, brand new. We just got it back in. Really good looking bike. Not much else to say about it. Pretty much a brand new bike. There we go. I didn't have the knob turned in the right place. All right, yep, just under 2,000 miles. Those slip-ons have a real good sound. Kind of sound like almost like Reinhardt's. All right, good looking bike. If you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. All right, y'all come see us.